Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a discussion board post. You'll see on our Blackboard page on the left-hand side, the sidebar this is called, it says discussion board. When you click on that, it will bring you to our discussion board. And what you'll see are all of the forums we have listed. So far, we only have one, our first discussion, which is due by the 19th. An initial post due the 15th, our post to appear due by the 19th. And you can read the description here. But if you want to actually go ahead and post something, you have to click the blue link, Discussion 1. And what you'll see when you click on Discussion 1 is this is where the threads are. A thread is when anyone does a post for the forum. And some weeks you'll be able to see other people's threads, but other weeks you won't be able to see them until you actually give a post yourself. It all depends on the content. Sometimes I don't want you to see other people's answers until you've posted your own. This week you'll be able to see them. But before you even look at anyone else's thread, what you should do is you should always go to the top where it says grading information and click on that. And then there's a little box here. Click on the box, and what that's going to show you is the grading rubric for each discussion post. And usually it will be a 2x2, but sometimes it'll be a 2x3. Sometimes it'll be a 3x3 box. And we can see here what we want to do for this one is we want to answer all the parts of the discussion prompt. We want to write and complete sentences, and we want to stay organized so it's easy to follow. We also always want to follow our class netiquette that's in our syllabus, and then we'll talk about group norms as a class when we meet together. You also have to do a response post. So your initial post will be by Wednesday of each week, and your response will be by Sunday. You have to choose at least one of your peers to respond to, and it says your response, it should be relevant to whatever they wrote, and it should also enrich the conversation. So it should be more than, cool, I agree, or that's right, Karen. You want to have something that is relevant to what they said, maybe ask a question about what your peers said, or add on to their thoughts. Those are the ways that you can be successful. So I'm going to click out of here. Now that we've looked at the rubric, we can go back to our discussion board. I'm going to click into discussion 1. And to create your own post, you'll go to create thread, and you'll type in a subject line. It could just be discussion 1 or whatever you want. And then what you will do is you will type your response in the message box. Some weeks you'll have something like a picture. I might have you find a graph or something to share. If you need to attach a picture or a file, you'll go to Browse Local Files and add your attachment. When you're all done with your post, you'll press Submit. After you've submitted, you'll see your post and you'll see your peers' posts under the threads. To read someone's thread, you just click where it says thread, click on the blue line, and you can read that person's thread. So this is the post that I did. Maybe you're reading someone's thread and it's something that you can respond to. Now, to click or do a response, you're going to click reply. You're going to type in your response in the message area, and then you'll click submit. And you must respond to at least one peer most weeks. Those are the basics of doing a discussion post. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me and ask.